Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you looking to restore or maybe energize? Well, then you should check out these shower bombs by Body Restore. I love using shower bombs whenever I shower because they release a nice, fresh scent. I really like the Energize scent. It's a very citrusy, sweet smell. It is scented with essential oils and a little bit of perfume. Now, I am very sensitive to perfumes, and I have no problem with these shower bombs at all. It's a nice, mild fragrance, nothing too overpowering, and it just makes me think of summer with that nice, sweet lemon scent. I was really impressed with how long-lasting these little tabs are. They actually lasted my entire shower. Now, I did keep them out of the mainstream of water. They still did get wet, but they were very slow release. I also appreciated that they didn't leave an oily residue in the bottom of my shower. Sometimes those can be hard to clean up. So I really have been happy with these Body Restore shower bombs, and I think you're gonna like them too. That's my point of view.